In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can send direct messages on TikTok. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So guys, this is a super simple thing to do. The first thing you will want to go ahead and do is open up your TikTok app. And then once you've done that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this page here and I will show you how you can do it. So for example, if you go to someone's page, it's not that obvious that you can direct message people, because on the main page, obviously you've got an option for follow, and then you've got their social media pages. And then if you click that down arrow, you will get pages that are similar to this type of content. So how you go ahead and direct message people, what you need to do is click on the three dots in the top right corner. And then as you can see, right down there at the bottom, right next to report and block, there is an option there for send message. All you need to go ahead and do is click on send message. And then you'll be able to go ahead and DM literally any account on TikTok, unless their account is private and you are not following them and you've not been approved for that. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.